All right, so really quick, your class practice. First, you want to do is apply your power rule. So I'm going to apply the power rule. After I apply the power rule, I'm going to look at my operation. Addition means that to consolidate, I'm going to multiply with one base, which is log base b, and it's going to become x to the fifth times y squared. Okay. So here, checking yourself again, bases are the same. There's no powers to be applied. So to consolidate, because it's subtraction, I'm going to divide. So common base, log 7. I'm going to divide 50 divided by 5. Mathematicians want to simplify. So 50 divided by 5, it's going to make it log base 7, 10. Okay. Expanding the logs. So this time we're going the other way. How can I turn this back into an addition or subtraction? All right. So first thing you want to check is if it's adding or subtracting. Well, first thing here is that this is division. So therefore, we're going to be using property 4 to turn it into subtraction. So this becomes log base 3 of d minus log base 3 of 12. Okay. There are no powers that need to become coefficients. There's nothing less for me to do. So therefore, I'm just here. And I'm done. Okay. On this one, log base 3 of 11 times p to the third. So again, I'm going to decide, is it quotient or product? It's going to be product. So that's property 3. Property 3 means that this becomes log base 3, 11 plus log base 3 of p to the third. Next, I'm going to check, can I apply my power property, which is property 5, and I can't. So applying property 5, I have log base 3, 11 plus, and the 3 is going to become a coefficient. So it becomes 3 log base 3 of p. I don't take email. You need either. No, it needs to be turned in. All right, now 5. I'm going to work over here just so I can have a little more room. So one thing to remember is that when you have the square root of something, that means that your power is a half power. So we have log base b, parenthesis, 57 over 74 to the half power. That's what the square root is saying, is that you have the half power of it. Okay. And so we have a power that needs to be distributed. Okay, so this power is going to be applied to the numerator and to the denominator, just good old-fashioned exponent rules. So this becomes log b of 57 to the half divided by 74 to the half. Okay, next we're going to decide, is this division? Since it's division, it's going to be subtraction. So we have log base b, and your numerator is going to always be your first argument, 57 1/2 minus log base b, 74 to the half. Okay. And then the last thing is you want to undo the power. So property 5, we want to undo. So my powers are going to become my coefficients. So it's going to give me 1/2 log base b, 57 minus 1/2 log base b, 74. And that would be the expanded version of that. Okay. So that's your expanded version. All right. Now change base formula, just reminding you that your argument is the log of the numerator and your base is the argument of your denominator. So we would have log 40 over log 7. Okay. Same thing here. Your numerator is the log of your argument. Your denominator is the log of your base. So we have log 70 over log 9. All right. Now it says, what is the value of log base 81 to the third? So log base 81 to the third. You're asking 81 to what power equals 3, right? That's what you're asking yourself. 81 to what power equals 3? Or you're asking yourself, so you're asking yourself 81 to what power equals 3? To calculate it, if you didn't have a regular calculator, you would do log in a scientific 84, log 81 divided by log 3. And I'll let you evaluate it from there. Okay. All right. That's our class practice, our exit ticket check. So please check over it. Make sure you're comfortable with this. You'll have more practice with your do now. And yeah,